Vanessa. So today I'm going to be doing a very simple brown shadow liner look for you guys using the ELDELHZH palette. Also, I do talk about some new products for me because I know they've been out for some time, but the Fenty Bronzer Island Tang, which has become one of my favorites. But yeah, if you like how this looks, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be using the ELDELHZH palette. I'll let you guys see the shades. I'm going to be using the shade 1988. So I'm just going to be doing a simple look. It's just going to be like a brown shadow. I really like how it looks, so we're going to be doing that today. I'll start off with priming my face. Actually, I'm just going to clip my hair back. I'll be using these little small clips. I just found these downstairs. My sister has a bunch in her little bag. Okay, so first I'm going to be priming my face with the Prep Set Glue. I always forget to show you guys first how it looks when I haven't shook it yet, but it just kind of, all the glitter just settles at the bottom, and then once you shake it, it mixes all together. It looks really pretty. But I love how this works on my face, so I'll be using that to prime. I'm going to be using my Watermelon Gum Lip Scrub by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I've been trying to get some more, but I haven't yet. But to moisturize, I'm going to be using my Laneige lip mask. This is, well, I don't think there's any flavor to this one. I know they do have some that have flavor, or they brought back the cotton candy one. But yeah, it does come with like a little spatula, so you can just dig in and then apply. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Strobe Cream by MAC. This just adds a little glow to the higher parts of your cheeks or your face. But yeah, I really like how it brings that glow out right over here. We're going to go into the eyes. I did get these e.l.f. Define Eye Tape strips. Since I am using a powder, I'm going to apply this to the corners of my eyes so then there's no fallout really, and it gives me a better angle. So, oops, let me grab some scissors. But I'm just going to take one strip and I'll cut it right through the center. Or try to. Okay. Then I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star mirror. Ah! Oh god. No! Nope, they're definitely not the same size. Sorry guys. So I just apply this right at the corner of my eye, and I kind of just go towards the end of the eyebrow. So, okay, so I'm going to go in with the palette now. Going in with 1988. And it's like if you were just doing a winged liner. This is how it's looking so far. If you do need to clean up, I just go back in with a flat brush just to like sharpen up the corners. But yeah, I really like this color. It's just like a pretty dark brown, and it makes your eyes pop. I really love how this always comes out. Next, I'm going to be going in with my lash curler by Revlon. So next I'm going to be going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be going in with, if I can find them. Oops, where'd it go? Oh. Right here. Okay, for lashes I'm going to be using my Randy lashes that I used in my last video. I actually have a few pairs on the way, but of course with everything going on right now, everything's delayed. But yeah, since these are all I have right now because I used everything up already. My Miami ones are totally dead, so I had to throw those out. I use this little mini lash curler that I got at the Morphe store in Detroit. It comes very in handy so I can just brush the lash and my lash together. I'll be using my favorite foundation, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. If you have dry skin like me, I recommend this foundation. This is the only one I have found to work good on my skin. This is in the shade 6.5. So I'll just pump this on my face. I don't like to put too much on my forehead. I'm going to be going in with my beauty blender that I got from Target. I still love this beauty blender. It works really well. And it's just so much bigger for my face. I feel like it just gets all the spots really quickly. For concealer, I'll be using the usual, which is my Jeffree Star concealer. It is in the shade C9. So I'll just go over my problem areas as well as my under eyes. To set it, I'll be using the Kat Von D setting powder. I'll be doing my eyebrows. I do use the brow definer by Anastasia in dark brown. I'll go in and clean them up with the $1 Billion Brows concealer and highlighter. And to clean up, I'll just use this BH Cosmetics flat brush. And for brow gel, I'll be going with my Morphe brow gel. This has to be one of my favorites still. To wipe off the powder under my eyes, I'll be using a Morphe M403. And I like to just look up during this process. I'm going to finish my eyes. I'll be using a brown eyeliner. For bottom lashes, I'll be using the Essence I Heart Extreme Curl and Volume Mascara. I don't really like to put waterproof mascara on my bottom lashes, and that's what I use for my top, so I'll just go with the regular mascara. So for a cream contour, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour sticks. I grabbed both the Calming Maple and Oaks on You. I think I like the Oaks on You better on me, but I still use this one here and there. I'm going to be using this one, Oaks on You, today. And I like to go in with the blush, Morphe M530. I like to grab my brush and rub it in, and then apply it on my skin. So when I cream contour, I like to just start right here and then just blend it inwards. I feel like that just gives it the most natural finish. For bronzer, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty in Island Ting. I love the packaging. Fenty Beauty is just so cute with their packaging. But yeah, this is the shade Island Tang. My all-time favorite bronzing brush is the Morphe M527. So I just like to like tap it in here. And I'll go over all the areas that I contoured. Along with the bronzing that it does, it also sets the contour. I'll be going in with the MAC blush in Margin. For my blush brush, I like to use the Morphe PK4. So I'll just dab it in there. But yeah, you can see the little glow it gives you. I love this. For highlighter, I'll be using my Jeffree Star in Siberian Gold. I love this. I love how big it is. For my highlighter, I'll be using the Morphe M310 brush. It's just a fan brush. Cool. I'll be going in with my NYX lip liner in London. Gosh, I've lost count how many times I've had to get up. I feel like I have everything on my desk and then I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot this, or I want to do something different. But good thing I'm filming in my room today. Usually I film in the basement. I'm going to try this lip gloss. It's called Flower Crown by Morphe. I feel like it'll just look good with the look today. So for setting spray, love this. Got this at the Ulta store. It's a Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I think I'm gonna curl my hair. I like it straight, but I don't know, curling is just my look usually. And also I'm gonna be using, or I can do that right now, my Lush. I don't know what this is called, but I got it at the Lush store, and it is so pretty, but it'll give you like that bronzy skin look. Okay, so this is how everything looks after I've curled my hair. So I'm just gonna add some texture spray. But yeah, I really love how my hair looks. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. I definitely feel like the curly hair makes everything pop for me. Please leave a comment in the comment box with any suggestions you want to see for a future look. I do have a few things coming in that I want to try with you guys, so just waiting on those to come in. I really recommend this palette if you don't have it yet, because I know it's been out for some time, but again, shout out to my boyfriend for getting this for me. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades. And I know I have had suggestions on how to curl my hair, so that's definitely in the plans soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.